Hi, I'm Whitney.
Hi, I'm Brooke.
And we are talking today about precision in the lab.
Yes, specifically in weighing up mixes.
Right.
And why that is so important.
Right. We do a lot of R&D here.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of times we start with grout mixes just to get a feel for the materials,
Sure.
to save our clients money, honestly, but also it's a great place to start that's not so overwhelming, like you know, doing all this concrete, like we need to break a few cylinders.
Sure, and when you do such a small mix, you can see, you know, just how specific each ingredient is.
Oh, absolutely.
So it's not this big mix and you go, shoot, that didn't turn
Right.
out the way I thought it was. What do I dial back? And wasting material too,
Oh,
like
absolutely.
you said, saving money. So
Yeah, Haley would just be pissed about that.
Yeah.
Like, she gets...
no need to wait. So when we do smaller mixes, I mean, it saves us labor-wise.
Absolutely.
Even, you know, it's just easier and
Just,
more efficient,
time
I
and
think, across
heartache
the
and money,
board.
yeah, all the
And
way around.
then again, precision is key, because when we're doing these smaller mixes, just this, you know, most minute amount really does make a difference. And
Well,
that's I was just gonna say, that's what we do with these grout mixes.
Right.
Is start small and then we make tiny changes
Right.
as we go, and you're able to see, you know, the
Just what that does.
effects. Yeah. So.
Well, like, I mean, something like Melflux, you know, we're running a 2,500 gram batch of grout, and you do we start the Melflux dosage for that at 0.35 grams.
Yeah.
I mean, it is just
tiny.
the teeniest amount, and it's amazing how just going up little bits at a
Right.
time can make a huge impact. So having good skills is huge.
Yes.
And making sure they're calibrated,
Yeah.
but also making sure that you are really
Taking your time,
Right.
double checking
Paying
your
attention.
numbers, you know, and just being careful and precise when
being
you're
right
weighing it up.
there, just focused on what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And again, then when you're confident in the numbers, you know, you can move forward
Sure.
versus just, you know, being lazy or going
Right.
quick, speeding through it and making mistakes and then having to do it all over again.
Well, and then the frustrating thing too, if you're working with a bunch of different admixtures as well, and you're not taking the time to make sure that the numbers are right, how do you know what it is that
Sure.
you messed
That's
up?
off, yeah.
You know, initially, if things with the mix are not going as expected.
Yeah.
So, anyways, it's good to just
Yeah.
take the
Be
time.
precise, take
slow
the time,
down.
double check.
Yep. Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining today. Like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt!